Okay, here I have a demonstration Google form with 3 questions, 2 multiple choice questions here, and 1 short answer. If I want to make this a quiz, what I'll have to do is make sure that I go to Settings, Quizzes, and I click Make this a quiz. I have the choice to release the grades immediately. So if this is a multiple choice quiz and I wanted to give them their mark and feedback right away, I can go ahead and release that. If I have a short answer, I'm going to have to manually mark those. So I'm going to click Later after manual review. And I'm going to check these off so I can respondents can see these pieces here. So first question was 1 plus 2. I'm going to assign a answer key, and I'm going to put in here that it's worth 1 point if they get this answer. And I can also add some answer feedback if I like to. Now the next one here is explain in your own words. So this is one of those where I can't give it an answer key that's going to match the exact words. So what I'll do here is I'll put this is worth 2 points. And then I can go ahead and click done. And this is one of the questions that I will have to make sure students answer, and I will review their short answer responses. And the last question here is multiple choice, but there could be multiple answers. It could be a multiplication question. It could be an addition question. So at which point I'm going to put in here it's worth 1 point, but if they say one of these two, then they get it correct. I'm going to want to make sure that I've put required for all of the questions so I know that students aren't missing anything. And then there you have it. I can go to send, and I can again email that, or I can attach this in their Google Classroom for their quiz. Once they're done, their responses will show up here, and it will give me responses for a summary for frequently missed questions, the graphs for each of the questions, and I can review their short answers before releasing their grades.